Welcome to the Sorted Life channel. Today I'll teach you 2 delicious ways to cook meat. Here's our piece of meat, let's go. First, sharpen your knife. Always be careful with sharp knives. Now we cut the meat and separate it into 2 pieces. Each piece will be cooked in a different way. Let me show you. Cover your cutting board with cling film. This keeps everything clean. Place the first piece on the board. Now we use a meat mallet. Pound the meat on both sides. This makes it soft and tender. Season with salt and pepper on both sides. Don't forget both sides. Now place the meat in milk for a few minutes. The milk makes the meat extra soft and juicy. Set it aside and let it rest. Now the second piece. Cut the meat into small pieces, nice even cubes. If you like this recipe, hit like and subscribe, so you never miss a new video. Season with salt and dried garlic. Now let's make a batter. Crack an egg into a bowl. Beat the egg well with a fork, then add a spoonful of flour. Mix until smooth. This is our bat. Add the meat cubes into the batter and mix well. Coat every piece. Before we start cooking, turn on your kitchen fan. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a little oil. Place the battered meat pieces in the pan. Wait until one side is golden and fully cooked through. This takes around 4 to 6 minutes. It depends on your heat level. Keep an eye on it. Don't walk away from the stove. Flip to the other side and cook until golden. Done. Version 1 is ready. Let's plate it up. Now, version 2. Crack another egg and beat it with a fork. Put flour on a separate plate. We need both egg and flour. Heat a clean pan with a little oil and place the cutlet in. Coat it in flour first, then dip in the egg. Then flour again, then egg again. This double coating gives a beautiful crispy crust. Fry for a few minutes on each side until golden and cooked through. Flip carefully and cook the other side the same way. Perfect, version 2 is ready, time to plate it up. Look at these two beauties, quick, easy, and so satisfying. Time to taste both versions, absolutely delicious. So, which version do you like more? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. See you in the next video on The Sorted Life. Okay, cooking is messy sometimes. But a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Pro tip, clean as you cook, your future self will thank you.